Hey guys, Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor here. I'm standing outside the bank, getting ready to walk in and deposit a $1.1 million check. One for a $3,900 profit, a couple little ones, one for $6,600, $147,000, $18,000 deal check I just picked up. One for a $4,000 profit, $18,000, one for $4,000, and one for a $5,623 profit, and a little one for $2,000, $7,000, $13,000, $4,000, $7,500, $10,000, $21,000, $28,000, $14,000, $81,000, $6,000, $21,000, $10,000, $7,500, $7,450. If you're interested in learning how to be a real estate investor, I have an upcoming free web class that I'm putting on where I'm gonna pull back the curtain on my business and show you step by step how to do deals just like this. Using none of my own money, none of my own credit. It's happening this week, so that way you can go out in your local market and make your own deal checks just like these. And I will see you on the masterclass.
Make sure you click that link, bro. I'm watching you.